Sure. My name's John Larsen. I'm here from Mississauga. We have a business, Garden City Groundskeeping Services Limited. We do landscape maintenance and snow plowing for commercial properties. We also have a business, Toronto Artificial Grass, which started in 2012. Garden City started in 2020. And we do artificial grass and sales and installation, and we have the Ontario distributorship for the Sinlawn product. I think as a business owner, I've always been looking for more ways to manage the business because you're running from the seat of your pants, and your grade 11 accounting works, and your ability to work in Excel is limited to who's teaching you, and knowing what to charge, and knowing how to manage staff, and knowing how to manage your overhead has always been a goal. And as an entrepreneur, you look and you wonder why it's harder for me to do it than anybody else, and you're always looking over the fence. So any systems that you can find that help you provide guidance, they're a welcome part of the family. Well, now we have salesmen and salespeople, so teaching them and having the production rates is really important, because my eyes and looking at jobs for over 30 years isn't trainable. So we're breaking it down into production rates and making sure that the correct rate is there for the staff and the hours that it takes to do. Yeah, the biggest thing is the estimating and the clocking in of the staff. And then of course it goes through to QuickBooks and gives me a job cost. But with the new job costing system coming, that was one of our areas that we wanted improvement on as a business. Again, when you're young, starting up in a business, and you know how fast you work with your guys, and you can push them and you're motivated, and then there's another crew that goes out and takes twice as long or is twice as fast, the production rate and the tracking of it and proving that this works this way, so some process and some systems are able to show you the benefit when you actually look at the numbers. Having the process when we take on a new job to actually turn it into a work in progress and somebody assigns it to be done. One of the problems that we found internally is that our turnover process, when we take on a new job and we send somebody to do the work, sometimes they don't know where to clock in. So there has been a process that slows me down, and me promising that I'll be there tomorrow, to now say I think that the soonest we can book work is a week out, and it gives us time internally to get our process in order, and therefore we can see the success, and there's no hiccups, that the management knows what they're doing before the staff gets there. But the scalability and the ability to have the training there with the systems that we have is really allowing my business to grow. Business 2023 is to gain process and SOPs so that the system and the business is systemized and processed, so that there's many people that are involved in running it and showing success, so we can grow a team and have team members thrive and know how to excel and grow within the company. And LMN with the pay structures and roles, and of course there's a HR component as well. But it helps with the path for every staff member to grow and reach their potential. Well, budgeting is why I'm here today, and we're always learning how to do a better budget. Knowing what things cost and knowing the true value of how you can earn money is really important. At my size, 1% is a lot, and we don't make 1% mistakes. We make a lot of 0.5% mistakes. And so being able to track them per area, such as equipment versus labor versus overhead, those are all big areas to manage now.